In this Getting Started video series, we're going to begin at the point where we have FME installed and we are about to use it for the first time. I encourage you to work along with me by downloading the parks.zip file found on this page and unzipping it to your Downloads folder. Before we begin, let's take a moment to think about what it is we are trying to do. Here's some City of Vancouver parks data in FME's viewing application, the FME Data Inspector. Notice that our area features are in green and that we have a number of attributes on those features. We'll start by opening FME Workbench to create a workspace. This will allow us to translate the park's data to GML, modify its attributes, and reproject the data. Within the Getting Started window, click on Generate Workspace. Here you can tell FME what data formats, files, or databases we are working with. It is important to note that later on you may add more readers and writers to your workspace. If I select my reader dataset, FME will recognize the dataset extension and automatically set my reader format, which in this case is MapInfo tab. For my output writer dataset, I type GML. FME prompts me with a list from which I may select the format I want, in this case, Geography Markup Language. I can also click the drop-down list arrow, which will show me the last 10 formats that I've used. By clicking on More Formats, I can view and select from the full formats list. Now I can browse to an output folder and set the name of the file to write. I'm going to output my .gml file in downloads/output and title it Output. When I click OK, the workspace will be created. We can run the workspace by clicking on the Run button in the toolbar, translating the parks data from GML to tab. It's also a good habit to get into saving your workspace. This will allow you to either run the workspace later or share it with another user. I'm going to save this as My First Workspace. I can locate my output.gml file by navigating to the folder in which I saved it. In the next video, we will modify attributes in the GML data.